Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Astra's site layouts. Okay, so let's head over to our dashboard and hover over Astra on the left-hand side and click on Site Builder. This is where you'll find your site layouts. Now, you can make basically anything that has to do with your web page, from headers, footers, hooks, inside posts or pages. These are like custom call to action widgets that you can make, layouts for those, custom layouts for single posts and pages, custom archives. So if you wanted to have a different layout for one product versus another, or a certain category, let's say you ran a toy store or a blog about parenting, and you wanted the layout for boys to be in color blue or something, to have a certain color and have a certain layout for that, whereas all the posts tagged for girls, it'll be in a more feminine color like yellow or pink or green or something like that, and then you could set the settings for that. Okay, and then a 404 page and so on, and then you can also configure it with the user options, and we'll take a look at that in a while. Okay, so right now, like real simple, let's make a custom hook. Let's click on Create New. And it's going to take us to the block editor. Okay, so we'll just call this new hook. And we want to make a promo, a hook for our groceries. Let's say it's Mother's Day and we want to give people a discount, all right? So we can add anything here from our block inserter, and you can see everything from Spectra, text, media, buttons, widgets, so on and so forth. You can add those here. In fact, you can even have a pattern for whatever you want to do, because it's just a block editor. So I don't think I want to use any of these. I just want to make my own. So let's go ahead and insert a container here. And let's just choose this one, just so we can set the background. And then we can add a heading here. And we can make this heading 3, I guess. And then you can make it centered. Oops. Right, and it's a bit too big, so let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, and I probably should put quotations on this. And we can change the color of this to white, and then the background we can make it, oops, not a gradient, please no, orange. Okay, and this is just a really simple hook. But if you wanted to, we can add other things like a featured image or a paragraph or a call to action. Let's say we want to put a call to action over here, and we can see and then we can just leave that as is, and then we can change this to, and we can move this probably inside here if you wanted to, but we can leave that as is, and you can add so much more. So if you wanted images, you can add those. Let's see if we can, okay, and for the description, we can change, actually that's fine. Spacing, no, that's okay. Background color. All right. Now, let's take a look at the settings. If we click on the Astra button over here, you can see that by default, because we selected it earlier, it is a hook. And now we can choose where to put it. And you can put it basically anywhere. Now, I want to put this on our product, and I want to put this before the single product summary, and then I can change the spacing later depending on how it looks. But let's say for display on, we want to select it on a particular target. So if I wanted to show this on the whole website, I can do that. I can put it on a 404 page only if I wanted to, the front page, or all posts, all pages on all products. But I want to put this on groceries in particular. So my items are tagged as groceries, and I'll click on all singulars from groceries, and I can display it on, I can choose to not display it on particular pages, but since we already selected the this all singulars, the specific target, then we don't need to mess with this one. And then display for users. So if you wanted your customers only to see it, then you can do that. If you want only logged in customers to see it, or if you have a customer that if this said instead, if you wanted to check out our latest deals, please make sure you're logged in, and you can choose this one. So I'll just keep it on all, and I can publish this. And let's head over to our shop here, and you can see that we have a bunch of smartphones, electronic gadget products over here, and we have a few grocery items over here, right? And now that it's done, we should be able to, I'll click on the eggs, this example, the eggs, and now once we refresh it, oh no, it's the category is under juice. Let's click on the red chilies here, and now here we go. Because it is under groceries, and a while ago we selected it under groceries here, it's going to appear here, and which is why it didn't appear under the juice category, because I forgot about the tags. So here we have our hook here, and you can choose to put this in anything else. So just imagine that this isn't a discount code and a call to action. You could, let's say we wanted to put it, oh, for some reason that's groceries. But let's go back to the eggs, and you can see it doesn't appear because the category is under juice for some reason. So it doesn't appear here. And if you can imagine, if you had a promo for eggs specifically, then you can add it for that category. And if you wanted to have a specific discount for chilies only, then you can do that as well. So let's remove it from groceries, and let's put it under fresh orange juice only, right? And we can call this right, and we only have one orange juice item here. So let's head over here and go back to juice, and we have fresh orange juice there, and it's updated. And we clicked on this a while ago, it didn't appear, but now we have a hook specifically for the orange juice page because we've set it up for that. Now if we were to go to the eggs one again, it won't appear because we haven't selected that. So that's the basics of how to use the site builder, the custom layouts for WordPress Astra. And you can use your imagination to figure out where you want to put these and how you want to use them. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.